Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UPL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Overall, a nice day, and that's a little bit of perspective. I mean, if you're some sort of day trader or flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought it there and you wanted to, your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well, then, yeah, from that point of view, things are a little shaky. But the main point was, yeah, the price did pull back from its highs, but the moment of strength came where the price finally leveled off and then showed some signs of strength by being able to bounce to the upside. So, and that is where the initial and really kind of key level of support going into next week comes about. Why is this level so important down here at 21 cents? Well, think about it. And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but just to kind of explain myself hopefully better here. If the price were to come down to 21 cents, push down below it, and then just continue on down, from a very literal perspective, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price comes down here, and once again, history repeats itself, so it finds some support and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this case, that quote-unquote progress point right there at 21 cents. What about on the flip side? Where are some of these levels of resistance at going into next week? Kind of the big thorn in the side of the chart right now from the resistance side of things is right here at 23.5 cents. If you go back and look through the history of things, you can just see this level knock down the price, knock down the price. Then this morning, knock down the price, knock down the price. So I'm not saying the price can't break through that level. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart here, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it is going to be able to fight through there and then be able to stay up above it. All in all, though, nice solid move today, so we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.